Hello, you're welcome to this short training. On this training, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your earnings from your salary as like your account, your referral account to your main wallet on ENNOVAPAY. So ENNOVAPAY is an app that you can go to Play Store and download. Just go to Play Store and search for ENNOVAPAY. Once you download the app, you can just open a free account and then get started. So I make several videos on the channel, so go check it out and then follow some of the videos that I've done in the past. But here I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your referral earnings to your main wallet. So I'm going to log into my account while we proceed. So once you have signed in into your account, registration is free, and you can see that once you are here on ENNOVAPAY, each data transaction you do on the app makes you 50 naira per each data transaction. So now once you are earning those transactions on data, it's going to be reporting here under commission. So what we want to do is to learn how to move it to the main wallet, which you can see here. My current wallet balance is 24 naira. So we want to learn how to move that to the main wallet. So to get started, you just simply click on these referrals. Click on these referrals. So once you are here on this referral system, so you're able to see that this is my available balance, which you can see here. So you just simply click on withdraw. You see withdraw, just click on it. So once you click on it, you simply have to put your email. Okay, just put your email, the amount you want to withdraw. If it is 100 naira, you put it and then click on continue. But before I show you how to click on continue, you discover that each withdrawal you are doing, it comes with a charge of 50 naira. So make sure you understand that each withdrawal you do will attract a service charge of 50 naira. So let me just make it 150. Then click here. Then click on yes. Then put once you click on yes, it will just automatically sometimes it will require a pin, but let's just see what the system comes. So you can see it didn't require a pin, so you see that the withdrawal is successful. So you can see the amount. So you can see it right away. So now what it means, you can see that my current balance here was 24 naira, but right now it is now 174 naira. So the withdrawal is actually instant, meaning that it goes instant. So it can also come to your transaction history, and you can see that your withdrawal history is also recorded here. Okay, so if you go to your home page, you also see that your balance for the commission is now this, while your main balance, which was 24 naira, is now 174 naira. So make use of ENNOVAPAY today for your data subscription, airtime subscription, buying of data, paying of utility bills, and everything on ENNOVAPAY is always instant. Okay, you can buy your airtime and it get delivered automatically. So let me just show you an example. So go to Play Store, search for ENNOVAPAY, the keyword ENNOVAPAY, or go to ennovapay.com.ng to get started. So I just want to buy airtime of 100 naira. So just click on buy airtime. then click on yes. Now, why is not request for PIN? Because I disable my own PIN, but in your own case it will always require you for entering of your PIN. So you can see that I have recharged 100 naira airtime of MTN. So you can see that my balance is now 70. You can see that my balance is now 76 naira. So you can see that I have already received the airtime purchase on my cell phone. So what are you waiting for? Get started with ENNOVAPAY. Earn commissions, withdraw it anytime, use it to buy products, and keep referring people on the app. ENNOVAPAY is something that has come to stay in Nigeria, and it's available on Play Store. Go search for ENNOVAPAY or go to ennovapay.com.ng, or you can also WhatsApp the support line that will be on the description of this video. Thanks and God bless.